Have you thought of making your first $100 online? If you're part of those persons who have been wishing on how they can make their first $100 online, this video is for you, and try to stay to the end of the video so you get everything I have to teach, and you will be well knowledgeable about how these things work. So my name still remains Sylvester Izunyo, and what I do in this channel, I teach money making tips, I teach finance, and I teach freelancing. So if you want to actually be knowledgeable about these things, it's good you follow up my channel, and can you click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. And before we go into my video, there's a course I'm bringing out, and the course is for freelancing and making money online. So with this course, you know how to go about freelancing, and I'll be teaching a skill that will help us in order to offer a service out there as a freelancer also. So with that being said, let's go to my PC where I'll show us how we can make our first $100 online with our mobile phone. Yes, with our mobile phone, we can do this right with our mobile phone without having to having to think about having a personal computer or having a desktop or something of such. So follow my laptop where I'll be showing us how to do this. Yes, apparently I'm going to walk us through how this process is going to work. Yes, I'm going to walk us through how this process is going to work. So the first thing I need to do in this process is we are going to set up our affiliate account. So how this thing will work is, the process in this is a affiliate account. You have to have an affiliate account, and this affiliate account you are going to have is what we're using promoting. So I'll show us how we can use this affiliate account, account to promote. So it's very, very easy. So okay, how these things work: in everybody you bring to this particular platform, which is Fiverr. Fiverr is the platform. Anybody brought into Fiverr to buy from Fiverr, definitely you are going to be getting a particular cut from all the money from each money you are getting from anybody that's coming to Fiverr. So Fiverr give you a particular amount, which is give you close to $100 for anybody that buys up to $100 and worth of service from them. So that is that from that. Okay, so I'm going to put us through how we do. First thing you need to do, you need to create a Fiverr affiliate account. So we go there and we click on Fiverr affiliates. So let me do Fiverr affiliates. So on Google, the Fiverr affiliates will open for us. So you can see Fiverr affiliates is opened on our desktop. So as that Fiverr, we click on Fiverr affiliate. So with this now, it's going to load up the Fiverr interface. You can see this is Fiverr affiliate account. So once you click on the Fiverr affiliate account, first thing you need to do is that you join. So you can come here and click on now. So the page opens, the join now page open for us. You can see it's opened, and the next thing we do is we scroll down and we fill in these forms and we sign up. So I've already created a particular account for this particular training, so I'm going to log into that particular account for this particular training. So you can see what is happening in this particular account. So in this particular, I already have a particular account. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in my name. So I'm going to put in my username also in this particular account. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in my username also. So in the Fiverr affiliate page, I'll put in my username. So I'm going to put in my password, and I click on sign in. So I'm signing in now. So you can see I've signed into this particular affiliate dashboard. So it's going in. So after this join, do the whole process I show you on how to join this thing on how to join the affiliate on how to join the network. So once I show you how to, now you can see this is how you are going to join. So you can see you've joined the particular network. So the next thing, you have logged in, you go to marketing and tools. So under marketing and tools, you go to default, and under marketing and tools, you go to default and deep links. So you click on that. So when you go to default and deep links, you look for every default. So you click on this here, business, Fiverr business. You can see Fiverr business, this particular Fiverr business. That's what you click on in order to promote to your audience. So you click on that. So I'll go to a notepad and paste this. So I'm going to have it outside here. Go to a notepad and paste it. So I'll have a link outside here. So the next thing I will do, I'll go to where we're going to be promoting. Next thing we are going to do now, we're going to focus on promoting this particular affiliate link. So we are able to register on Fiverr affiliate account. So next we are going to promote this affiliate link. So how are we going to promote this affiliate link? It is very, very simple. And note that you can do this with your phone. It's not just only with desktop, your phone also, you can work with this on your phone. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the URL, the affiliate URL, and not the affiliate URL right now. I'm going to go to Facebook. So one place I'm going to be using to promote is Facebook. So you have watched some of my videos. I've shown us how we can promote through Facebook, and it's very, very easy. So let's go to, okay, imagine I want to promote people that are into logo design, designer or so. So I can just say logo design. So I can say logo design. So if I click on logo design here, if I click on logo design, so logo design, if I click on it, it just loads. Yes, it has loads for us. So you see I've joined this one, I can join. So I can just click in. When you click, the particular group we open, Facebook group we open. So wait for the particular Facebook group to open. So you can see particular Facebook has opened, and this is it. Under here you can see people talking. Okay, professional logo designer, and see it's premium logo design just under 50. You can see. So under here now I can see I want logo for Rayron shop name African. So you can see different logos. So you can just message these people now, and from there, okay, you can see what I was telling you. See what somebody did here. You see what somebody did here. You see what somebody did here. So if you click this now, you take it to a particular person's account. So when time takes it to a particular person's account, now you can see what the person did here. Exactly what I'm telling you. So it's not like if I don't know what I'm saying. So you can see what the person did. When you click on this now, it will take you to that particular person's account, and boom, and boom, you are good to go. So you can see it takes to that particular person's account, and boom, you are good to go. So you can see it here. Just click it, you take it to that your affiliate link, and once the person registers, you buy from you, you are good to go and see what the person is doing, posting under these comments and the rest. So that is that for all that, and it's very, very straightforward, and it's something you can do without having to to waste your time with your phone. Just do it. So that's your affiliate link. That's what you replace into these people. You can see how this one replaces affiliate link here, and it shows. So that is how we do it. Thank you very much for actually staying true to this video, and stay for more of my tricks and tips on online making money. So we are going to make this money. So there are a lot of tips and tricks you can use online in order to promote yourself and make this money. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. But before you leave, please kindly click on, but before you leave, if you've not registered for my course that is coming out very soon, I have a course, and the registration link is below this video. Kindly click on that registration link so it takes you down to the video, and with that you can actually, kindly click on the registration link. It will take you down to the particular link from where you can fill your information and register for my course. 80% discount for anybody who registered for this particular course is out. I'm going to be taking limited people. I'm going to be choosing only 10 persons from this particular registered people. So the earlier the better for you. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much for staying to the end of this video. I do really appreciate you, because along the line you are able to learn what I have to teach, and you are able to listen to me as I teach what I have to teach to you. If you know you truly love this video, kindly click on the like button, and also click on the subscribe button if you know you're just coming to my channel for the first time. And don't forget to click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video, so you can learn the wonderful thing and the awesome things I'm teaching on this channel. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.